line by line, then you will find. You need to read out the line by line.
Okay.
Modern periodic law. What are there? This is all are the same. Modern periodic, everything is same. Only at the place of atomic mass, you have to put the atomic number. So what he said, that is physical.
Okay, sir.
And
That is a modern. I found it, sir. Found it. Modern period.
given a physical and chemical problem. Periodic function of atomic number. Okay, this is. So here it become the atomic number because main properties was discovered that it is atomic number. Now when you talk about the characters, what are the characters? So character means there are the group also given in the Mendeleev one. So group, he said, that is vertical column. This is the vertical column. Vertical column equal to 18. Total was the 18 group. And what he said, in one group, what is there in one group? No, elements of similar properties kept in a group. In one group, elements of similar properties kept. That is what the character, similar properties kept.
Yes, sir.
Similar properties, right? So properties of element are same. Now here you talk about the period. Okay, period. So 7 period was there. 7 period. So if you talk about the period, now 7 period, it is not having elements of different properties. It is having what they are, elements of different properties. Elements of different properties. Okay. Now here you see how the 7 period are divided. He divided. If you talk about first period. Okay. First period. He said in the first period, he said that is 2 elements only. 2 elements. And what he named this period, that is shortest period. He named that shortest period. Shortest period. If you talk about Asa, if you talk about the second and third period, right? Here, if you talk about second and third period, there are 8 elements each. There is 8 elements each. So 8 elements each, this is named as short period. This is the short period. They are having the application. What the study you are saying now, I am not able to locate the element. So these are going to be play role. That is why I am giving. Here, if you talk about fourth and fifth period. Fifth. Here is 18 element each. 18 element each.
Long
18 element each. It is going to be long period. This is the long period. Now, if you talk about earlier when he gave now 6 period. In the 6 period, it was 32 element. 32 element. When it was given, this was called longest period. This was called longest period. Nowadays, 7th period, earlier it was there 24 element only. When he gave, that is around 24 elements are there. He called incomplete. He called at that time, he said that this is the incomplete. Nowadays it is completed. Nowadays completed. This period is completed. So that is what the modern periodic table, that is we have discussed the period. 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, 32. This thing. Nowadays, what the 24 I wrote, na, it will be the 32. This has become,
because that artificial elements, synthetic elements have been found.
That is radioactive elements are given. Can I reach?
Yes.
Okay. Now, how he divided the periodic table, that you are just now, you was telling this, that is the structure you was telling. Okay. So this is the not correctly coming. Here you see. Okay, trying to make the periodic table here. This is. Then after the third period, this is the long rows are going after the third period. And then you can find this one like that. And here you will find this one. This way. So here left side you will find, right side you will find that is total 6 column are there. Here is the 1. This is going to be the second. This is going to be the third. Here is going to be 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Here is the extreme. Now, if I will ask you, what are these are telling? Why this is the happening? So see, the first row, if you see this one, how many are there? 2 elements are there. This is the hydrogen, and here is helium. What he said long form periodic table, that is very much correct. The first period is having how many elements? 2 elements. Then he was going in the second period. If you go, second period is what is there? Lithium, beryllium. Here is boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. That is total going to be 8. Similarly, here is sodium, it is magnesium. Here is aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. So here you are going to find also 2. This is going to be 8, and this is also going to be 8. Now we are going to study the next one. Here, if you talk about in the center, you will find total 10 groups are there. 10. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And here is 3 period over, means there will be 4 more period will be there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, if I will ask you, what is this? What these things are telling? If you see these first 2 period, they are explaining the S block element. They are the S block. If you are going in the center, this one, they are going to be what? This is going to be D block. And here, if you are talking about, so that is going to be P block. This is the P block. Now, you are telling that is, there were the 2 period was there in the bottom also.
Yes, sir.
So this bottom was there, that is going to be F block. Lanthanide and actinide. 14 elements are there. Here is the going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. This is what going to be F block. We will discuss the detail this one. There is no problem in it. Okay. If you are talking about the next one, this will be the 18 element. Here is 18. This is also going to be 18 only. But when you are going here now, this one. So from here, it is going to be 14 more element. So it will be 18 plus 14. So it is going to be 32. And from here, it is going to start here. So 14 more. So it is also going to be 32, 32. So you can see this one. Now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here you see, just you try to fill out this one. Suppose you are filling this one. So it will give potassium.
Sir, I can go up to 30. Sir, I can go up to 30. KCA, CI,
vanadium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, V.
CTI, V, CR, MN, FE, CO,
Zn. Then what are there? Then it is the gallium. Here is germanium. Here is arsenic. Here is chlorine. No. Selenium. Sorry, extremely sorry. Arsenic, then it will come selenium. Selenium. Here is bromine, fluorine, chromine, bromine. Here is helium, neon, argon, krypton.
The Ga is gallium.
Ga is gallium, Ge is germanium. Ge is germanium. How the now you can directly memorize now. Here is lithium, sodium, potassium. Here is rubidium, cesium, francium. How our teacher memorized now in that is in the term of mnemonics. So here is the li na ne ki raf se faryad, like that. So you can write lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Second groups you see beryllium, magnesium, calcium. बेटा मांगे कार स्कूटर बाप राजी. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Now you come for the here. Bagan, aloo, gajar in thela, TL. Here name are the IPSC name are there in this case. Here all are the IPSC name. Just now I will tell you. And here is Kahe Shiv Ji Sun Parvati SNPB. Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, SN means tin and lead. Nepal, Pakistan, Australia, sab bimar. So, right, here is old style say tipo, tellurium, polonium. Here is fir kal bahar I auntie. Fluorine, chromine, bromine, iodine.
Sir, can you please repeat this once again, sir? After this is done, then I will write that down.
Okay. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. Which group you are asking? Which group?
Sir, all, sir. I will note down.
What you will do? This is the very much funny one, right? Funny. How we'll say? See the down one I'm erasing, na down one, this one.
Yes, sir.
The down one.
Sir, this entire periodic table should be memorized, no?
Should be. If you are memorizing, okay. Otherwise, up to 36 you can memorize. Group one is group is compulsory need to memorize. Group. These groups are needed. Here you are not memorizing this one, not an important one. But group, all the groups are required. For the.
So that means, sir, you are memorizing the whole thing only. No?
This group, that is D block, not important that much. But S and P block is very much important. Very much. And D block first and second period is important. First transition series and second transition series. So if I will write the first group, how will we memorize? So how our teachers memorize, na? Hina. He said, hey Lina. It is in Hindi. You may be knowing Hindi now. So can I write in Hindi?
Yes, sir. Sir, I can read, write, speak Hindi.
Okay. This is Hey Lina. Hey Lina. Ne ki rab se faryad. I don't know Hindi. Faryad. Yeah, faryad. Suppose I am writing, please. Many years I didn't write Hindi.
No, sir, it's okay.
So, he Lina ne ki rab se faryad. So, he means hydrogen. Lina means lithium. Ne means sodium. Ki means potassium. Rab se means rubidium. Se means cesium. Faryad means francium. Okay. So, he Lina ne ki rab se faryad means helium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Helina ne ki rab se faryad. Helium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. Can I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now let us move on the second one. Group number second. How we memorize group number second. Actually, our total periodic table I memorized like that. Our teacher memorized. Group 2, he said beta. In Hindi, you write down. He said that is beta. He said, Mange, car, scooter, Bab, Raji. It means Raji. It means beta means beryllium, Mange means magnesium, Ca means car, scooter means strontium, Bap means barium, Raji means radium. Beryllium,
Yes.
magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Beta, Mange, car, scooter, Bap, Raji. Bap, Raji. Can I erase?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now move on the 13 one. Moving on the 13 one. Here up to 30 you know na. No need to memorize. 30 you know na. So 30 means here science teacher very cruel. Mange fico nico jara. This one.
Yes, sir. So this one is okay, sir. Up to 30, I remember.
So here I am telling this group I am telling. This is the see 2 group 10 group. This is the 10 group. Here is 2 groups. So 10 to 12.
Yes.
This group is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. For 13 group I am telling 13. So
Yes.
bagan, they said that is bagan. Bagan, aloo, gajar, in thela. Oh, thela. You write down thela, how to write thela. Thela, okay. So here you see what are there the word already you know. You must be knowing much better Hindi than me. Bagan means boron. Aloo means aluminium. Gajar means gallium. In means indium.
Indian.
And thala means thallium. Bagan, aloo, gajar, in, thala. So this is the 13. Group element we need to memorize now.
Yes.
14. How कहें शिव जी, कहें शिव जी, सुन पार्वती, अब कहें शिव जी मीन्स कार्बन, शिव जी सिलिकॉन, जी मीन्स गैलियम, नो जर्मेनियम, सॉरी जर्मेनियम, कहें शिव जी जर्मेनियम, सुन एसएन, टीबी पार्वती, कहें शिवजी सुन पार्वती, कार्बन सिलिकॉन जर्मेनियम टीन लेड, कार्बन सिलिकॉन जर्मेनियम टीन लेड. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay, now if you are talking about 15 na, 15 is very simple. Yes. One 15 is very simple one. What is there? 15 I am writing Nepal, Pakistan, Pakistan. I am writing the capital small matra, capital matra all wrongly. Nepal, Pakistan, Australia. Oh, Australia I cannot write, so I am writing in English. Okay. AUSTRA, Australia. Sub, Bimar. So what will be there here? Nepal means nitrogen, Pakistan means phosphorus, arsenic means Australia, sub means antimony, SB, and Bimar means bismuth. Nepal, Pakistan, Australia, sub Bimar. AUSTRALIYA, na? Australia. Okay. Nepal, Pakistan.
No, sir, Y is not there, sir, A only.
Okay. See, so Nepal, Pakistan, Australia, sub Bimar. Nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. Is it okay?
Yes.
Now the next one is there. What is there? Group number. This was the 15. Now the 16. Here it was 15. Here is 16. 16 is their old style. STY style. Say tipo. Old style से tipo. तो ऑक्सीजन, सल्फर, सेलेनियम, tellurium and polonium. Old style से tipo. Old style से tipo. Tipo means copy करना. So what will be there? Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, and polonium. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And the last one is very simple. Last one is how we memorize na. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. See? फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. फिर means fluorine, कल means chlorine, बाहर means bromine, I means iodine, आंटी means statin. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी.
Yes.
हाँ, for 18 group ना, 18 group. हीना, नीना और करीना. हीना, नीना और करीना.
Yes, sir.
रंग Xerox, XN means Xerox. XN means Xerox. रंगीन, RN means रंगीन. कराई. हीना, नीना, करीना ने रंगीन जीरोक्स कराई. हीना, नीना, करीना ने रंगीन जीरोक्स कराई. जीरोक्स रंगीन कराई. जीरोक्स रंगीन कराई. सी.
Yes, sir. Yes.
हीलियम, नियॉन. हीना, नीना और करीना. हीना, नीना और करीना. जीरोक्स कराई. XN means Xerox. XEROX, Xerox. XN
Yes.
is not there. X is there. XE, not XN. Xerox. Xerox. Rangin. RN means Rangin Karai. So this is how we can memorize.
Okay.
Okay. So this much you memorize. Next class I will tell you the D block, how to memorize D1. Here is na rubidium, yttrium, zirconium, niobium. यारी जरा निभाना साथ, मौत तक रुकावट पड़े तो राह में कूद जाना. These all are there, okay, but that is not so much feasible. I will tell you later. Okay, now see what are there. This is the periodic table. Now we are talking about the group. A total group are there. He named the group also. Group 1, he said group 1 is alkali metal. Group 1 is alkali metal. All are the alkali metal. He said group 2. Group 2. Group 2 is there alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metal. Earth metal. Earth metal. Then he said the group, what are there? Group 13. He said boron family. Boron family. That is, there was the name of all the element. Group 14. This was the carbon family. Carbon family. Group 15. Group 15, if you are talking about, this is the nitrogen family. Group 16. Group 16, you are talking about oxygen family. Group 17. Group 17 elements are there. They are the halogen family. Halogen. And if you are talking about group 18, group 18 is noble gas. Noble gases. Okay. So these are the elements. Now, alkali metal, you know what are there? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium are there. Alkaline earth metal, beta, mangi, car, scooter, baap, raji. They are there. Kahin शिव जी, सुन पार्वती, SNPB. Group, no. बैगन गाजर आलू इन थैला. बैगन आलू गाजर इन थैला. Here is कहीं शिव जी, सुन पार्वती. These many. नेपाल, पाकिस्तान, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सब बीमार. ओल्ड स्टाइल से टीपो. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी. हीना, नीना और करीना जीरोक्स कराई रंगीन. Now these are all the elements we have mentioned.
Sir, kindly please keep this slide for sir 1 minute at least.
Okay, no problem. You are having time here, no problem.
No, sir. Actually, from 9 p.m. sir, I'm having the maths class, sir. So, sir, that is why.
Oh, how can you take so long? You will be online classes are very difficult, yaar.
Yes.
How you are managing this all the timing? You are great. Your dedication will leads to success one day surely. God knows 100% you will be successful. You will be very big person because your dedication level is so high. 9 p.m. you are having. When we will you will take the dinner, dear?
Sir, now only, sir. After I take the dinner, then I will join that class.
Oh, then you better. Okay, I'll teach you tomorrow, na. This all the properties I will teach you
Tomorrow
tomorrow.
morning only.
Tomorrow morning. What time you want to come? 9 or 8?
Sir, 8.
Okay, 8. Okay. Tomorrow I am not taking the classes, other classes. Here offline tuition I make off.
Yes, sir.
So no problem. I am having time tomorrow. You can study.
Sir, I can start earlier also, sir. If you want, I can do.
I can't woke up so early. Okay. How can you do? You give the race to your mind. Okay. I am requesting you because you are
Yes.
going to study 9 p.m. now. 9 to 10, more than 10 it will go now. So you need to give the proper race to your mind. Okay. Take at least 8 hours sleep. Then it will proper memory retention will be the increase. When you are sleeping now, proper giving sleep to the body now, so retention level increase, retention.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, whole night you study in early morning, you will forget. Getting? So
Yes, sir.
that one. So okay. You kindly take your dinner and then we'll see you tomorrow. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Bye. Take care. It is getting